In today's video, I am going to teach you how to email broadcast subscribers in Aweber. To get started, sign into your Aweber account and look at the main navigation. Go to the Messages section, then choose Drafts. This is where Aweber stores emails you have created but have not sent yet, and it is the easiest place to manage a broadcast from start to finish. Next, click Create a Message. When the options appear, select the drag-and-drop email builder. This editor is designed to help you build a professional email without needing code, so you can add and rearrange content quickly. Now design your email, add your text, images, buttons, and any other elements you want to include, and make sure the layout looks clean. Keep your message easy to scan, and double-check that your links go to the correct pages. Also take a moment to review your subject line and preview text, since those can affect open rates. When you are finished, click Save and Exit. After you save, wait a moment for the system to load and return you to your drafts list. Once you are back in drafts, find the message you just created. Next to it, click Schedule. This opens the send settings for your broadcast. Start by reviewing the section labeled Who should receive this message? Click Edit to filter by subscribers. This is where you can target the right audience instead of sending to everyone on the list. Take your time here and confirm that the selected subscribers match your goal for the broadcast. Then review the section labeled When should this message be sent? Click Edit and choose whether you want to send it immediately or set a specific time. If you schedule it, pick a time you are confident about and make sure you account for your audience's time zone so the message arrives when people are most likely to read it. When everything looks correct, send the broadcast by clicking Send Message Now, or schedule it by clicking Schedule Message. Before you finalize, do a quick overall check of the recipients and the send time to avoid mistakes. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.